Hello, today I bring you an unboxing and review of the Goldshell SCLITE mining machine, weighing approximately 10.8 kilograms with packaging. Model, Goldshell SCLITE, supports the Blake 2B algorithm, capable of mining SC Cloud storage coin. It has a hash rate of 4.4 T, power consumption of 950 W, and operates quietly. For more detailed specifications, please visit the official WOYU website. This mining machine features an integrated design for the power supply and main unit, making installation extremely convenient. Simply connect the power cable, selecting the appropriate connector based on the power interface, connect to the network, plug in the power, and press the socket switch to start. Once powered on and settings are completed, the mining machine operates in actuality. At a hash rate of 4.4 T, power consumption is approximately 957 W, and the noise level is around 48 decibels, showcasing excellent performance. How to configure the mining machine for normal operation. Access the mining machine's backend settings, enter the mining pool worker name, mining address, save, and wait for about 20 minutes. The hash rate will stabilize, and the mining machine's backend will display various parameters. Checking the mining pool page, you can see the online quantity of mining machines, the hash rate for each unit, total hash rate, earnings, and more. In summary, the Goldshell SCLITE is a mining machine with low power consumption and minimal noise, making it ideal for users with noise sensitivity. For more information about mining machines, mining pools, wallets, and checking earnings, please visit the WOYU official website.